Android phone says no service, and how to fix it. In most cases, you can try some quick and simple methods to resolve the issue as below. Fix 1. Restart your phone. For the situation where an Android phone displays no service, restarting can clear temporary software glitches and help the phone reconnect with network towers. Simply hold down the power button, select the restart option, and allow the phone to shut down completely before powering it back on. Fix 2. Check network coverage. Move to a different location to see if the signal improves. If you're in a remote area or an area with a weak signal, consider moving to a location with better network coverage. Fix 3. Enable airplane mode. Turning off airplane mode is another simple method to fix Android phones that say no service. Simply pull down the notification bar menu, locate it, and ensure the airplane mode option is grayed out indicating it's turned off. This will allow your phone to connect to the cellular network and may potentially resolve the no service problem. Fix 4. Manually select a carrier. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Connections or Wireless and Networks, depending on your device's settings menu structure. Step 3. Select Mobile Network or a similar option. Step 4. Tap on Network Operators or Network Selection. Your phone will search for available networks. Step 5. Once the search is complete, a list of available networks will be displayed. Select your preferred network operator from the list. If you're not sure which operator to choose, you can try selecting your carrier or the one with the strongest signal. Step 6. Your phone will attempt to register on the selected network. Once registered, the network name should be displayed on your device. Fix 5. Check SIM card. Make sure the SIM card is properly inserted into the phone and isn't damaged. You can try removing the SIM card and reinserting it to ensure a secure connection. You can also check if there is any dust in the card slot. If there is, you can simply clean it. Fix 6. Use another SIM card. If your SIM card appears to be functioning properly, consider trying a different SIM card to see if it fixes the issue of Android phone says no service. Fix 7. Reset network settings. Step 1. Open your phone's settings menu. Scroll or navigate to the System or General option. Step 2. In the System or General settings, find and tap on the Reset Phone option. Step 3. Within the Reset options, select Reset Network Settings. Step 4. The system may prompt you to enter a password or confirm to ensure your intention. Once confirmed, your phone will begin resetting the network settings. Fix 8. Update your phone. Step 1. Navigate to the Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down and choose About Phone or System Update. If updates are accessible, proceed to download and install them. Fix 9. Use Safe Mode. Step 1. Press and hold the power button on your phone until you see the menu options. Step 2. Long press the power off option until you see a prompt to reboot to safe mode. You may need to swipe the screen or tap OK button to enter safe mode. Step 3. Once in safe mode, you will see safe mode displayed at the bottom of the screen, and all third-party applications on your phone will be disabled. Step 4. In safe mode, test if your phone still displays no service. If it shows a normal network signal, a third-party application may be causing the issue. Fix 10. Try dedicated software Android repair. Step 1. Upon launching the Android repair tool on your PC, click on the repair option and choose Android repair. Then, connect your Android phone to your PC using a USB cable. Step 2. From the interface, select the specifications of your Android phone, such as the brand, model, country, and carrier. After making your selections, confirm by entering 0000, then click Next to proceed. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter download mode on your Android device. Then, click Next, and the tool will commence downloading the Android firmware and flashing it onto your device. After a certain period, your Android device will be successfully repaired. Fix 11. Reset to factory settings. If none of the above methods have resolved the issue, you may consider performing a factory reset on your Android phone. Please note that this operation will erase all your data, so be sure to back up your Android phone beforehand. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on System or General Management, depending on your device. Step 2. Tap on Reset or Reset options. Select Factory Data Reset or Reset Phone. Step 3. Read the warning message carefully, as this action will erase all data on your device. If prompted, enter your device's PIN, pattern or password to proceed. Step 4. Confirm that you want to reset your device by tapping Reset or Erase Everything. Your device will now begin the factory reset process.